Good morning. Today we discussing third part of application vehicle on a banked road. Previously we see two part. One is vehicle on banked road and next part speed limit in case lower limit, lower speed limit on banked road. Now today we discussing about the speed limit in case banked road upper speed limit. Here shows second diagram in case upper speed limit. In this case, the diagram shows the same way lower speed limit, but only difference in case of friction static force. In case friction static force is directed downward direction. Here shows directed downward direction. This Fs is also resolved into two components, Fs cos theta and Fs sin theta. The Fs sin theta is downward direction along to the mg weight and which is balanced to the n cos theta upward direction. And next component of the static frictional force is Fs sin theta. This directed towards the center of the curved road which is along to the same also n sin theta and balanced to the centripetal force, that is centripetal force is m v2 square by r. This expression can be we discussing next page. Now see next page here. Here see same above discussion produces here also two equations. We get two equations from the static frictional force. Fs is the static frictional force which is downward direction directed. In this case it is resolved into two components. First component is Fs sin theta. See in your book or notes diagram, the Fs sin theta directed downward direction along to with the weight of the vehicle mg and opposite to the n cos theta. So here we can write the expression mg weight of the vehicle plus Fs sin theta is equal to balance to the only one component n cos theta. See in second diagram. Then rearrange. Only take one side mg weight and other side n cos theta minus Fs sin theta. Say this equation number 1. Now also here put the value of the Fs. We know the value of the Fs in previous article, previous class, also previous 11th class discuss Fs is equal to static frictional is equal to mu Sn. Mu is the coefficient of static frictional force, n is the normal component. So here put we get mg equal to n cos theta minus mu Sn sin theta. Say this equation number 1. Now take another component Fs cos theta. Another component of the static frictional force Fs, that is Fs cos theta. Its direction is towards the center of the curved rod along with n sin theta. So these two components are sum sum with the balance to the centripetal force. Here centripetal force mv2 square by r. Here take v2 because in first case we take centripetal force in case v1. In second case taking v2. Here get mv2 square by r is equal to the sum of the two component normal, that is n sin theta, and static frictional component is plus Fs cos theta. Then also here putting the value of the Fs same way above expression as like mu s n here put. Then finally equation 2 we get centripetal force mv2 square upon r is equal to n sin theta plus mu s n cos theta. Say this equation number 1. Here we get equation number 1 and equation number 2. Using these two equations as same way previous case. Also same way divide these two equation 2 by 1. We get rearranging equation 3 as like below. Here see. Now divide equation 2 by 1. First equation is centripetal force is equal to n sin theta plus mu s n cos theta. This. And second one equation is weight is equal to n cos theta minus mu s n sin theta. Both are divided. In this case, the mass m can be cancelled. The remaining value here we get v2 square by r whole divided by g, and also here n cancel, here n cancel, sin theta by cos theta or plus cos theta whole divided by cos theta minus mu s sin theta. Now next term we get by dividing n cos theta. Whole second term divide n cos theta. See here. Then rearranging, the n is cancelled. Here also n cancelled. Here also n cancelled. Here also n cancelled. Remaining term can be write sin theta by cos theta. We get tan theta. Then in case cos theta can be cancelled. We get only mu s, in case plus, here plus. Then dividing term, cos theta cancel. We get term 1 and take here minus as it is. Then here sin theta by cos theta, we get tan theta and mu sin theta. Now next term, here only take v2 square and remaining term, dividing term rg, take next side Rg in bracket tan theta plus mu s whole divided by 1 minus mu s tan theta. We get this term. Now here take a square root v2 is equal to whole under root can be written as Rg in bracket tan theta plus mu s whole divided by 1 minus mu s tan theta. This is the equation number 3. This equation is same for the first case, but here only changes plus minus sign. Now here taking same cases in previous case, if here take mu s is equal to cot theta, what happen? Here also we get maximum velocity is equal to infinity, but mu s maximum only 1 here. So for this, the angle, banking of angle equal or greater to the 45 angle. So the maximum velocity can be, we get linear maximum velocity infinity. Next case for both equation 3, first diagram and second diagram, both equation. If mu s is equal to 0, when mu s equal to 0, therefore there is road is not rough, it is smooth road, so there is no produce friction force. This value put in equation above, mu s value put in above equation, in this equation 0, we get only expression this V maximum is equal to Rg tan theta, as like V is equal to Rg tan theta. This expression is same to the vehicle on banked road. We discussed in previous first part video in same article, vehicle on a banked road, and that expression is V is equal to Rg tan theta. When coefficient of friction mu s equal to 0. Hence here the big article vehicle on banked road here end. Therefore in this case 3 applications here closed of the uniform motion. Now we shall here stop this video.